Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is a wig review from Luvme Hair. This unit is their 4x4 lace closure wig, and they sent alongside this unit a wig cap, and then there's also this bag that contains a edge wrap, which is this edge wrap here, a purple edge wrap, so cute. And they sent a edge control brush, and lastly they sent this very cute mirror here, which is so portable. And here is the unit, guys. So this is what it looks like. Lace net is bleached. You guys know that this brand, they always bleach their lace net, okay? And this is the coils of this unit, and here is the 4x4 lace closure. This is what it looks like, and here is the construction of the wig cap. It has combs, it has adjustable band, it has adjustable strap, and it's secured. Okay, so straight up I'm going to start with the installation of this unit, and also you guys know that I'm going to leave all details to this unit in the description box for you guys, so check my description box for more details on this unit from Luvme Hair. And please guys, while you're watching this video, give me a thumbs up and leave your comment in the comment section.
Sometimes, don't know why I feel that way sometimes. Yeah, yeah. The end. Think how we can set out on the weekend. Funny how I kinda like this life. Funny how I kinda like this life. How I like this life.
Be the one taking me home. One thing really lead to one. You say that you're the worst, but I don't know. Is that true? We both feel the silence with things they think they know. Baby, that's why I just be free and let it all go. Let's go. I don't care what you say, it's true. Don't matter to me, 'cause I want you. I want you. 'Cause I want you. Any other things might be true. It don't matter to me, 'cause I want you.
This unit is a two-in-one kind of unit, guys. Like, you can coil it, which is like it is coiled already, okay? You can also straighten this unit, guys, which I'm going to show you guys here. Like, straighten it up, and after you straighten this unit and you want it coily back, just apply water and foaming motion it goes back coily, shining, and looking all lush. Okay, this is how good this unit is. Like, it can serve for two purposes, even more. Okay, because after straightening it and you want to like do like style it, you can style it as well. You can do whatever you want to do with this unit, guys. So it serves for so many purposes.
Say it's true, don't matter to me. How are you?
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.
And here's the final look of this unit, guys. You guys can see how beautiful it is. She looks so gorgeous in this unit. The coils are coiling, they are bouncing and looking so lush, guys. You guys can see that for yourself. This unit is a good unit, guys, and all the things to this unit will be in my description box for you guys. And here's it for this installation, guys. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want.